What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial, I will explain you what are data types and how they are used in Python. So let's begin. First of all, we will declare some variables. X equals to 10, then y equals to this 10. Okay, no difference. Then we will print x comma y. Let's see what we get. 10, 10. So there is no difference. Let's create a function sum equals to x plus x and another function sum equals to y plus y. Stay with me. Sum comma oh sum 1. Sorry for that. Sum 1. Let's see now what we will get. Big difference. Here x plus x we will get 20. Here y plus y it is 10, 10 plus 10. So what is wrong here? Here you can see that we simply assign a 10. So it is mean it is an integer. You can see here that it is showing it is an integer. And here when we assign these to, it means it is a string. Okay. And one more thing, we can also assign floats, which means 10.234 etc. Sorry for this noise. We will also assign character, which uh, a equals to q equals to, in character we use symbol single quotations. Here we can write anything we want, and if we print them and that, okay, if if we use the module type x comma type y comma type z type q. Let's see what we get now. Here we get that nothing. Okay, sorry, it was my mistake. I forgot to put a comma here. Now, after saving this, when I paste this, we will get class integer. It means x is integer. Class string. It means y is string. Class float. It means z is float. And class string. It means it is a string. Okay. Thank you. We will meet in the next tutorial.